Have you ever tasted a dessert created not just for sweetness but for healing too? This is Kand-Mani Kshira, a nourishing Ayurvedic dessert where traditional Indian cooling ingredients meet the vibrant purple tubers of the tropic. Known as jewel milk, this beautiful bowl is crafted to cool the body, restore vitality, and leave you feeling deeply refreshed. It takes 2 days to make, but the process is beautifully simple. All you need to do is soak the almond gum and the next day let it slowly blooms like crushed ice. Then we are going to need Sabudana or large Sago Pearls. Wash them thoroughly, then soak them overnight. No overnight, no worries, 8 hours works too. Purple potatoes contains Anthocyanins, a pigment that cools the blood and builds vitality. To make this Kand-Mani, wash 1 purple potato and cut into medium chunks. Next, steam the chunks for 10 minutes to lock in the pigment and preserve the starch for a silkier dough. The tender the potatoes, the silkier the results. Blend these chunks while they are hot from the steam. Add a little hot water to help it blend smoothly. Blend into a smooth puree. You may add more hot water as needed for a silky texture. This is the texture you want, completely smooth with no chunks. Next, bring 2/3 cup of water to boil and add fine sugar, a pinch of salt and the potato puree. Bring the flame to low and mix into a thick paste. Then add a cup of sifted rice flour. Turn up the heat and fold in the flour and paste together. This is called Starch Gelatinization. This process creates a molecular bond that makes our mani elastic and crack-free. Cover the pot for 5 minutes. This makes the dough more elastic. After 5 minutes, add a teaspoon of ghee. Knead for 2 minutes until the ghee is fully absorbed. This helps smooth out the dough. Once done, roll into a large ball. Pinch a small portion of dough and weigh each to 15 grams. This ensures all the mani are the same size. Then take a portion, dip into room temperature water and start rolling into a perfect ball. Repeat for all the dough portions. This may take just 10 to 15 minutes and it's quite therapeutic. If there are cracks on the balls like this, just fix it with a little water. Gently massage until smooth. You can steam these balls directly, but here we'll store them first. Place 1 dry kitchen towel on the container and wet another in water. Place the wet one directly on the dry one and seal it close. Trim the edges for a clean finish and chill the balls overnight. The very next day, strain the soaked sabudana. The soaked sagu should feel soft when you squish it. Bring some water to boil and add the strained sabudana. Cook them till they turn transparent. Then strain the water. The sabudana will get trapped here. Then wash thoroughly so they don't clump or stick together. Bring out the chilled mani and thaw them for 30 minutes. Then prepare to steam them for 8 to 10 minutes. Apply some ghee to grease the surface before adding manis. The balls may look pale, but they'll turn a deeper purple once steamed. After 10 minutes of steaming, remove the manis. This is optional. You can prepare a sugar syrup to add glazing to the manis. Wait 2 minutes after steaming before brushing the syrup on the surface of the manis. Brushing the syrup at this stage creates a polished looking balls. Now for the assembly. For each serving, add 2 tablespoons of almond gum, half of the sabudana and chilled evaporated milk. For the garnishing, add small cubes of purple potatoes, the glossy manicand, and complete it with pomegranate areoles. I personally love to have it with a touch of fancy ice cube. You can freeze milk and potato puree into ice cube. A bowl of jewel milk to ground your energy and cool your spirit. Enjoy Kand-Mani Kshira.